Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix a misaligned drawer if you have that. This is a soft close drawer that we have, so as you can see it's sticking out, so let's fix that. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and take off the drawer from the soft close rail. So just push that piece back to unlock the rail. Do the same thing on the other side, and then you can take the drawer off to get it out of the way. Then get into the cabinet, and for this particular system, the rail basically is adjustable, and that's why it was misaligned, because it was basically this left side was sticking out more than the right side because of the angle. So you just need to adjust it here so the rail is sticking straight out of the cabinet box, and then it should be aligned. Then everything else is in reverse order. Go ahead and put the rails back on. Use this little white piece here and just pull it forward and slide it back onto the clip here, and it'll clip into place, and then you can that's basically it. So again, to show you how to do it, use the button to unlock, and you just pull the rail and it should click right in. Do the same thing on the other side, of course, and then you're done. So as you can see, it's now more aligned and looks a lot better and doesn't look silly. So that's how you fix that. If you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.